but for now I am going to calculate further 2 or 3 sections in front of you so that you can easily learn. Now I am going to work on 10 plus 050, but the major areas which remains constant already calculated in this section. You have to hatch the surface. You can also calculate the area by making boundary. If you don't want to hedge the surface, just leave it and makes the boundary and then calculate the area with calc area command. Dear friends, I already made one video about calculation of areas in 6 different ways. Above you can see the link. So we have the total for the embankment quantity 69.463 square meter. Now we are going to calculate the cutoff road. First we have to make the boundary, and then with the help of calc area command we can calculate the area. It's 15.793 on right side and same in the total. After this we have to calculate the subgrade preparation in earth cut. Basically it's the width of roadway cut. After the cutting we have to prepare the subgrade surface 9.133 meter. So total also remains the same, 9.133 meter. So I already discussed about NGC and clearing grubbing CG. Both width remain the same, but in this cross section we have different sides. On the left side we have 16.307 and for the right side we have 8.100 meter width. We will calculate the both widths. 16.307 plus 8.100, 24.407, because both remains the same. So dear friends, 10 plus 050 cross sections, we also calculated the areas. Now we are going to calculate one more so that during the calculation you will never face any problem. That's why I am calculating again and again. I made the hedge surface and then match it with earthwork pattern. So with the help of calc area command, 1 is used for this command, 42.339 for the left side and 37.974 square meter for the right side. The total is 42.339 plus 37.974. It's 80.313 square meter area. Dear friends, this is the area, not quantity. When we multiply this with length, then as a result we have the quantity. So after this we are going to calculate the cut off road. We can mention the boundary only for the right side with the help of center line. So now easily pick point because we already gave the path. So boundary has been made by calc area command. The area is 25.594 square meter for right side. And for the left side, pick point, enter. The boundary has been made. Now with the help of calc area command, the area is 1.901 square meter for left side. Open calculator and add the both. 1.901 plus 25.594 is equal to 27.495 square meter area. So friends, after calculation of roadway cut, now we are going to calculate the subgrade preparation in earth cut. You see here, before I marked the total, but now I am going to calculate it for left side separate and right side separate with the help of center line. So you can see for left side it's 2.745 meter, and for right side it's 8.557 meter, and for the both side 11.310. Now we are going to calculate the NGC and clearing grubbing. Left side we have 11.653, right side we have 12.659, and total we have 11.653 plus 12.659 is equal to 24.312. NGC and clearing grubbing remains the same, so we just only copy and paste the above in clearing and grubbing section. Dear friends, now we have completed our 3 cross sections. Now you can see 10 plus 150, 10 plus 200. I already calculated the every areas, but there is an assignment for you. 10 plus 250. I left the areas for left side and right side. I only calculated the areas of total. Okay, now this is your assignment to download this file and makes your practice and fill it after the calculation. So 10 plus 300. Also I left the both sides for you. 10 plus 350. Also I left it for you. 10 plus 400. Dear friends, there is a lot of stuff for your practice. You just need to download cross section, calculate the area, and then put it in your quantity sheet. So this is our last RD, 10 plus 500. I left this also for you. This is your homework. So hope you will complete this.